You can see the wood all rotted out.
It's a story so many people can relate to. Extensive damage from Hurricane Ian. This week, Fox 4 Investigates showed you John Derso's story. His check from the insurance company was less than half of what contractors say it will take to fix his home.
Can you fix this house? Do you think for what they gave you?
Fix this house for $110,000. I've talked to contractors.
But there might be a small silver lining when it comes to understanding Ian tax deductibles.
Well, that poor gentleman, at least he gets a chance to get some of that money back, you know, as far as his deduction goes, because that's basically all we have left now if they're not going to pony up and pay the money.
To learn more about this year's tax season, Fox 4 Investigates spoke with two local experts, Adam Bruno from Evolution Retirement Services and certified public accountant Eric Higginson. They recommend you document all of the damage you sustained during Hurricane Ian, from a destroyed roof all the way down to spoiled food in your refrigerator. But that's only if insurance or FEMA did not already reimburse you for damages.
Any insurance reimbursement is going to offset or reduce those losses. So you can't get an insurance claim and then still deduct those losses, right? That's like double dipping.
There's another big change that could impact many of us who've taken damage in both Irma and Ian. Back in 2017, Hurricane Irma was deemed a so-called qualified disaster, which meant you could claim an extra 10% on your standard deductions, but only Congress can decide if something is a qualified disaster.
Irma, for example, was a qualified disaster, but there are no qualified disasters for tax year 2022 currently.
With so many people getting reimbursed from FEMA or their insurance, taxes could be complicated this year.
I may be biased here, but I would always advise anybody with a complicated tax situation to consult a qualified tax preparer.
And a couple extra helpful tips. FEMA and insurance reimbursements, they are not considered taxable income. So good news there, you will not get hit with a higher tax threshold if you were reimbursed. Keep in mind, even if you're still battling it out with your insurance, you have to write off your damages on your 2022 taxes. Don't wait until next year. Ryan Kruger, Fox 4 Investigates.